The second problem, you can write down, draw SFD and BMD for cantilever beam. So this is beam given to you, 1, 2 and 3 loadings. With 1 meter, 1 meter and 2 meter. This is A, this is B, C, D. It's 10 kilonewton, 20 kilonewton and 40 kilonewton. So I'll leave some space here to draw the diagram. Then I'll go for calculation. So first one is calculation of shear force or shear forces. So now I have totally 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. So first of all, shear force at A is equal to, so I'll keep my hand here. Now it becomes right hand side. For right hand side, downward is positive, so it's plus 10 kilonewton. Okay, next is shear force at B. So if I keep my hand here, it's a summation of this and this. So 10 plus, this is downwards plus, so 10 plus 10 plus 20 is equal to 30 kilonewton. So next, shear force at C is equal to 1, 2, 3. So all are downwards positive. 10 plus 20 plus 40 is equal to 70 kilonewton. So finally, shear force at D. If I keep my hand here, even though there are 1, 2, 3 only, so it's 70. Next, calculation of, it's very simple, bending moment. So bending moment at A is equal to, I agree here there is a force but no distance. Force into distance would be moment, but force is only there. So force into 0. So 10 into 0 is 0. Next, bending moment at B. If I keep my hand here, this force has a distance here. It will take this much 2 meter and it will rotate like this. But this force is passing through the point itself, no distance. So it is 10 into, and it is clockwise, minus. So 10 into 2 distance, okay. So minus 10 into 2. So it's 20 kilonewton meter. So next, bending moment at C is equal to, here there are totally 1, 2, 3 force. Third force is passing through the point, so it is 0. So this is 10 into how much of distance? 10 into 3 minus, so this is minus 10 into 3, and this is also anti-clockwise, sorry, clockwise. For right hand side, clockwise is negative. So minus 10 into 3 minus 20 into 1. Minus 50 kilonewton meter. So bending moment at D finally. So if I keep my hand here, minus 10 into 4 minus 20 into 2 minus 40 into 1. So it comes around about minus 120 kilonewton meter. Same, I'll plot it on this. So this is SFD, this is BMD. So I'll project these lines down. So shear force at A is 10, positive 10, positive means upward. Shear force at B is 30, upward positive. Shear force at C is 70, upward. And shear force at D is also 70. So now when it is straight, shear force also will run straight. So 10 will be constant here. So next, after this there is no any force. So again it is straight 30. Join this. So 70. Join this. So this is your shear force diagram and it is positive. Next, bending moment at A is 0. Bending moment at B is minus downwards 20. Bending moment at C is 50. Bending moment at D is 120. So since it is here straight, this will be straight incline. Straight and straight. So this is negative downwards. So like this you have to solve the problem. Thank you.